Children, so today I am going to take chapter 3 in English literature. So here you see I have written chapter 3, the north wind and the sun. So here first let us try to understand here. See, north wind, it is a wind which comes from the north side. See, so it is a wind which comes from the north side, and the sun. See, both are equally powerful. See, the wind when it blows too much, it is dangerous for us. The houses can be blown, trees can be broken, and so on. On the other hand, the sun is also very powerful because sun gives us heat, light, and first of all, we feel too hot during the summertime. So this is the theme of this particular chapter, the north wind and the sun. So please all of you open page number 36. Page number 36. Let us warm up. See, it is so many pictures are given here. Different pictures are there. Which picture can be blown by wind? So we have to color these pictures. See, color the things that are being blown away by the wind. So this one you can do by yourself and color it with different colors. Then please turn the page, next page, page number 37. Page number 37. Reading. Fables are stories that teach us something important. They are usually about animals or nature. Here is a fable about the wind and the sun. Now let us try to understand some meanings. See here the meanings. See, fables. There is short story. See, short story. It is some type of short story, and so this type of stories are always related with animals or nature. So here in this particular story we are going to learn and we are going to read about the wind and the sun. Both are gift of nature. See the first paragraph you see. It was a very cold winter morning. Just then, sun decided to travel across the sky. A freezing blast of wind roared and nearly blew him along with it. Soon, sun realized that it was none other than the grumpy north wind. Next para. Out of my way, sun, Lord North Wind. Why do you have to be grumpy and cause trouble all the time? Said sun. See, children, here talk or dialogue is going on between the north wind and the sun. You see. So now I will read only two paragraphs and I will explain them. It was a very cold winter morning. So it was winter season. So in winter season, we all need sun also. Yes, especially sun we need. We want to have warmth ourselves. And so, just when sun decided to travel across the sky, so what happened? Sun has decided to travel to move across the sky. A freezing blast of wind roared and nearly blew him along with it. So what happened? A wind is blowing. This is north wind is blowing, and then it was very, very freezing, cold, freezing, you see. Something too much cold, too much. Too much cold, freezing. Like ice freezes, we can see it becomes hard. Similarly, it was too much cold. So a freezing blast of wind roared and nearly blew him along with it. So what happened? The wind, north wind, is taking this particular sun. Soon, sun realized that it was none other than the grumpy north wind. See, here meaning is there. A blast of wind is, you see, in the second line, blast of wind, it is given here a strong burst of air, too much air, too much air. Then here you see grumpy. Grumpy, it is too much angry. Angry. So what has happened now? This particular sun has been taken by this particular north wind. Out of my way, sun hollered north wind. Why do you have to be grumpy and cause trouble all the time? Said sun. So this particular north wind is causing problem with this particular sun, and therefore sun is too much angry. Why do you have to be grumpy and cause trouble all the time? Said sun. This particular north wind is as if it is too much angry, and then it is taking away, it is taking or blowing this particular sun, and therefore this particular sun also is not very happy. So dear children, I will continue in my next class. Thank you very much.